No, you cannot. Well, at least right now. One dissension will end through end, but no Foxy. I'm just saying here. It is what it is. Today's on the coin flip, guys. Today's on the coin flip. Come on. Stop right there. Let's get a crazy time. I want you to say what? I want you to say what? It's a crazy time. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, come on. Show me some dedication. And here we go, guys. Here we go. Green, blue, or yellow. So I'm not going to do monkey flip today. Monkey roll. Only did it because people don't tell you to get up. Well, you know, Jamie, in this case, I would spin only crazy time, right? 34% on blue, 100 x the highest would like to. Whoa, we get 15x on the monkey. So yeah, 15x on yellow, 50x on blue, and double on green. Yeah, my favorite was yesterday. Boom. Okay, today no more monkey rolls. I had to remind you about that. And it's another double. Whoa. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. I need to get some double screams in the chat. 400x possible for a green, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready? Booyah! Come on. Where's the monkey costume? Monkey told not today. Yes, it was fun, but not today. I'm still a bit in the mood, though. Come on, give me another double. Okay, I'll take 200x, guys. I'll take 200x on a green.
QRCC, Chrissy, and Novice, congratulations. Playing time is open. Good luck. I'ma help you real good, baby. No difference in your heart. One time in life, hold your heart. There's no way you ring the alarm. So hold on until it's over. 5x on crazy time. How are you doing, Wolf, by the way? How's your day? Did you just join the session or did you... Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Second crazy time and what? This one a 5x multiplier. Woohoo! I'ma hurt you real good, babe. Let's go! Woo! Woo! Hello! Oh my, I love it here! Woo! Oh, I'm dizzy. I didn't know. Welcome. Everything time 5, ladies and gentlemen. Maximum multiplier on this. Everything gonna get 5 times bigger. So, wow, what is happening? 3 flappers, yellow, blue, green. Which is yours? Choose. And if you don't, system might choose it at the end of the show time for you. Be fast, please. Good luck. 500x is the max on this one. Good luck, everybody. Yes. Woo! 250, 100. Woo!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.